Um, Good evening once again. Welcome back to DanTrades Mentorship. It's been almost 2 days since we last met. Today we'll be talking about MT5. There's a little technical issue from my side, so forgive me if the session today is not up to standard. I mean, if I say up to standard, it means whatever we've been doing every single time. So today we'll be talking about MT5. As I said, forgive me very much. We're having a little technical issue, so we're not able to take things to the best standard. But today we'll be talking about MT5. Last week we spoke about TradingView. For those who don't know what TradingView is, this is what TradingView. We spoke about this interface. We spoke about the time frames. We spoke about the pairs. We spoke about the tools. We spoke about the 7 tools we are going to be needing. We spoke about the watch list also. Monday was a very wonderful time. Monday was a very wonderful session altogether. So that's basically what we did on Monday. Today we'll be continuing with MT5. That's the second part of the application. You need MT5 because you need to know how to make your setups. You need to be able to place your setups after making your setups with TradingView. That's what TradingView is there for. TradingView is here to help us make our setups. TradingView is here to make us help us make our setups, and MT5 is going to let us place the trade. Now you can also place your trades on TradingView, but it is not as convenient as MT5. So most of the time we place our trade. Most traders, I can see up to 80% of traders trade on MT5. That's even if not statistically proven. Logically, I believe MT5 has almost 80% of traders using that platform. So how do we connect to our MT5? What does our MT5 do? Our MT5 connects us to the trading floor with the help of our broker. So MT5 is going to give you an option to add your broker to the platform. Now there are some brokers that are not on MT5 platform because of other reasons. That's not something I'm going to talk about. You can do a research on that. But our broker, the broker we use, which is EC Markets. In case you don't know anything about EC Markets, you can check the description. The link is there. My number is there. EC Markets is on MT5, so we're placing trades and they're going to automatically place for you. That's if you agree to it. Now, how does this happen? This happens with something called a trade copier. Now, MT4 supports a trade copier where any trade I place automatically places on your device. So any trade I place automatically places on your device. That's what the trade copier does. Now, what does your MT5 do? Your MT5 helps you trade your own trading. Like, you're placing your own trades. That's what the MT5 is helping you do. So we're going to be learning how to connect our broker, which is EC Market, to our MT5. Now, a lot of you have created your accounts, but since you don't know, that's why we're going over this slowly. Now, I'll be using EC Markets, of course. So, EC Markets. If you log into your account, you're going to see this beautiful interface. Now, after seeing this beautiful interface, you can select any account you want. I have almost 6 accounts. I can select any account I want. So, I'm going to select this account right here on my right hand side. I tap on the settings. It's the same on your devices. It's the same on your phones. I tap on the devices and I copy my login code. This is my login code 8103135. That's my login code. So I've been doing a lot of transactions. I have $8.88 in this account. All I have to do is copy this code and move over to my MT5. Now, when you open your MT5, you see a beautiful interface on your first screen. Now, as I said, we are having a lot of technical issues, so all our pictures were unable to project on the screen. But for iPhone users, once you open your MT5, you should see your last corner on the options. There are 5 options below. There are 5 options beneath in your MT5. Now, the options should say settings. Now, you tap on settings. Since it's a new account, they'll ask you to open a demo account when you download your MT5 for the first time. You're going to ignore the demo part. Move over to settings on the bottom row or the bottom menu, tap on setting, and you should see add account. Now after you add the account, it should take you to this beautiful screen you are seeing on your screens right now. Now from there we can take over. Now the name of our broker is EC Market. So EC and the markets, that's what is being presented by example. Now EC Market has a lot of servers. The first server is EC Markets Financial Limited. We have EC Markets Limited and we have EC Markets Ltd. Now we'll be using the one that suits your account. So let's go back to my account. If I look at this my account, the one that suits my account, I have to check it. Okay, it says here EC Market MT5 Live 01. So I have to look for this server. Now when you go back to your EC Market, you look for the server. Now when I did this myself, I checked server 1, server 2, server 3. It was on server 2, EC Markets Limited. So I did what? I clicked on EC Markets Limited and I continued. So it showed me the Markets Live 01 on the EC Markets Limited. It showed me the Markets Live 01. Then I moved on to place my account logins. My account was, of course, I entered the number, then I entered the password. After entering the password, it connected me to my account. You see your name, you see your account number, you see your server, and you're basically done. That's all to log in your account. You compare the server on your EC Market broker and you compare it on your MT5. That's basically easy. MT5 is just going to bridge the gap between you and the trading floor, so you can place your trades yourself. That's basically what's happening with MT5. So without much to do, we continue. Now you need to know how to add pairs to your MT5. Now what can you do? You go back to the main page. You should see the middle page as you can see on my screen. If you tap on trade, you should see your account balance. Trade should show you your account balance. Now we are going to move over to quotes. So we have quotes here. After moving over to quotes, you should see a pencil at the top right corner. You tap on the pencil gently and it's going to show you this beautiful screen right here. Now what's this screen saying? This screen is showing you all your pairs. If you're using the latest version of MT5, this is what you're going to see. But the older versions will just show a search button for you to search your pairs. Now the first thing you see is EC Market. As I said, technical issues they make all our pictures show. So you tap on EC Market and it takes you to this beautiful screen. Now we are all standard traders, so it's going to show STD. You right click on STD also, then it should take you to this beautiful floor. Now this beautiful floor shows Forex majors. The last time in our other session I told you that there are 7 major Forex pairs. It shows you Forex minus, it shows you Forex exotics, it shows you metals, energy, indices, and crypto. So I told you that there are 3 types of Forex pairs. We spoke about minor and majors practically or skeptically, but we didn't talk about the exotics. But I made a mention of the exotics, that we have exotic pairs that don't have any relation to minors or majors. So something like the Ghana cedis to the Cote d'Ivoire currency CFA, we have no interaction. It's not a major, it's not a minor. So those are exotics. Yeah. So we're going to be starting with the majors because that's what mostly we are going to be trading with. So tapping on the major should take you to this beautiful screen. Now, on this beautiful screen, you see 7 other pairs. You can select the pairs by just tapping on the piece below, like the holes. So I tapped on this piece and you see all the 7 pairs have been selected. They join my pairs after I select these. You can also go to the minus and do the same for the minus. everything was not able to show. So if you see on your top right corner, you should see that there is a blue highlight showing a pair. Now this is showing BTC. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it from here. This is showing BTC from my side. Now BTC is the current pair showing on the chart. If you want to change the current pair showing on the chart, all you have to do is right click on the blue highlight and change the pair. I don't have that too because you're having a little technical issue, but I promise this will be the last time. So that's basically it. Would have dived deeper, but most of my images are gone. I don't know what's happening today, but most of my images are gone, and I can't do I can't do a live broadcast from my phone showing it through the YouTube interface. So without much to do today, this is where we ending our session. It was a very short session, just 12 minutes, talking about how to use your MT5. Thank you once again for joining. We have an interactive session on Saturday, and I expect all of you to join that channel. So we have our meetings on Telegram, and it was a pleasure doing this